All right, everyone, our good buddy Carson is gonna be driving his tractor back to town.
So this is originally a Ford tractor. I believe it was bought in by the county many years ago and was painted orange. It's used as a highway mower, hence the giant side mower. My uncle just put in a lot of time and money to fix her up for us this year, and we got nowhere to store it inside out here, so we're gonna drive it back into town. But we gotta fill her up first. Oh, okay. You got a water bottle in there? Where's your work gloves? I don't need them.
He's thirsty.
Very thirsty.
4 cold stars. You gotta hit the glow plugs.
Tractor's running. Howard's gonna give her a drive back to town. He just hit his head. He just hit his head on the thing.
Let's go. Throttle, if I pull it down, it literally just rises back up on its own. It doesn't stay.
Maybe it's just cold. Ah! Matt, maybe it's just cold. Come on, it's gonna be cold.
Buckle up, you're gonna be on the highway. Too small. That's what's right.
A little bit of tractor maintenance, a little field repair. Throttle wouldn't stay. Every time I would put it down, it would just swing back up. So I'm sick of doing that. My hands are cold, so.
All right, Carson fixed a little issue with the tractor. Now he's absolutely cruising down the road.
Good, drove really good. It's actually warmed up pretty good. Doesn't have much chop anymore. It's smooth. It got rid of that.
We're here in the really cold Minnesota woods. We're gonna be doing a little homemade ski jump. We got some heavy equipment here. We're gonna be building up a massive hill, trying to hit some ski tricks.
50, 60 feet high, straight into the bowl. Hit a little whip, 180, slide out. We'll see what's going on. We got heavy equipment, we got heavy snow, and we're gonna make something cool. Everyone's got a little pair of skis, knees and jeans.
It's pretty cold, but we're bundled up and we're ready for a war. And of course, skier drip, you gotta stay baggy. I got my 5830 jeans on.
We're fighting Mother Nature!
All right, guys, we're fighting Mother Nature. We're losing daylight. Can we get it done?
We're fighting Mother Nature! We need hydraulic fluid to get this loader to move that snow so we can go down it and jump.
All right, dropping in. All right, tested up the hill. I got down just fine. Now we're kind of waiting around trying to get the equipment started to build this massive jump. Having a little mechanical issues. Can't get the bucket to move. You can see our buddy in there. He's feeling a little bump. But we're not gonna let it stop us today. We came all the way out here. I got the skis on, and you know, we're just doing a little bit of pulling behind the truck. But first, get down there. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done.
Clean. Get up! Get up!
This is Iron Range skiing. It's a powder! Let go. Locked and loaded. Onward. Get it!
Oh! He's down!
Oh.
Loader still ain't working.
Having some mechanical issues, can't get the things to work, so we did a little bit of skiing. Now we're gonna get into some snow parkour. Wait. That one hurt?
Rolling back. Got me a rock or something in there.
Woo! Having some mechanical issues, but still finding a way to have fun in the snow.
Nice.
Okay, that's a really icy landing. Oh,
That's the most 5-year-old video I think we've ever made.
dude, that landing hurts so bad. Here in northern Minnesota, we're yet to get a lot of snow. Yesterday was just 40 degrees. Not a lot of snow to work with, and since it melted yesterday and froze again, let's do our landing. So it hurts a lot, but we'll try again. Here we got Muzzy. First attempt at a rail. Turn, turn. Dude, good attempt. Good attempt, dude.
That was cool.
Okay.
Bro, you can't get hurt. You got a bucket on.
Oh my God. You broke the corner of the rail, but that's all right.
You're going half the speed of walking.
Nah, dude, you just don't have a lot of speed, so you're not gonna pop up.
You're not even moving.
Dude, the way he went down like this, and then I
And just face the camera.
and he was like this.
Okay, jump builder, how do you feel the conditions are today for jumping?
Probably the worst conditions ever.
Hit it.
Let's get it.
You wanna be a pro skier? Say do it. Oh!
Stuck it.
Hey, look at him. Now ride backwards. Now hop back, 180 back. Broken ACL.
That left foot didn't even move.
It's practice.
That was cool.